Hi, this is Jeff from Hybrid Automotive. Thanks for your interest in the ProlongPro Thunderbolt upgrade package. The upgrade package is designed for people who already own a ProlongPro charger and discharger. Included in the upgrade package is the Thunderbolt system, 10-inch tablet, as well as the new ProlongPro app. The app is going to be your primary user interface and will control the entire Thunderbolt system. You'll also receive an upgrade board for your ProlongPro charger and ProlongPro discharger, as well as our new battery cooling table, which is used to ventilate and cool the battery while it's being serviced outside the vehicle. The upgrade package includes 5 cable harnesses. The first 2 are your individual module voltage monitoring harnesses. When combined, these 2 harnesses enable simultaneous measurement of up to 40 module voltages at a time. Next is the QR scanner. The QR scanner is compatible with Toyota style modules and allows you to quickly record the module serial number into the ProlongPro app and link the module capacity and charging and discharging data directly to the serial number of that module. Next is the battery temperature harness. The battery temperature harness connects to the Thunderbolt system and enables the system to directly monitor the temperature of the battery pack while it's being serviced outside of the vehicle. Last is the high voltage interconnect harness. This harness links your existing charger and discharger to the Thunderbolt device and enables automated cycling of the hybrid battery pack. In addition, the upgrade package includes a 1-year license to the ProlongPro app, as well as remote updates of the app itself, the Thunderbolt system, charger, and discharger, so that you'll always be on the latest version with the newest features and functionality. Thank you very much for your interest in the ProlongPro upgrade package.